Electric cars are taking over the world. But are they actually better than petrol cars? One runs on batteries. The other runs on explosions. One promises zero emissions and low maintenance. The other has powered the world for over 100 years. But here's the real question. If you had to choose today, which one would save you more money, give you more power, and last longer? In this video, I'm breaking down electric vehicles versus internal combustion engines for performance, cost, maintenance, and the future of driving. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. An electric vehicle uses a battery pack to power an electric motor. No combustion, no pistons, no exhaust. An internal combustion engine burns petrol or diesel inside cylinders. The explosion pushes pistons, spins the crankshaft, and drives the wheels. One uses electricity. The other uses controlled explosions. Electric vehicles deliver instant torque. That means instant acceleration. That's why many electric vehicles, like models from Tesla, can outperform traditional sports cars. Internal combustion engines build power gradually. You need RPM. You need gears. You need time. Electric vehicle equals instant power. Internal combustion engine equals gradual power delivery. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts. No oil changes. No spark plugs. No timing belts. Internal combustion engines, oil changes, filters, fuel injectors, timing chains, cooling systems. From a mechanic's perspective, internal combustion engine vehicles require more routine maintenance. But electric vehicle battery replacement can be expensive. Fuel prices keep rising. Electricity is generally cheaper per kilometer. Charging at home overnight can cost far less than filling a fuel tank. But charging infrastructure still varies by country. First world countries have best charging station as compared to third world countries in Africa. Electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions. Internal combustion engines release carbon dioxide and other pollutants. However, battery production also has environmental impact. So the real question is not just emissions, it's total life cycle impact. Short term, electric vehicles can be more expensive upfront. Long term, lower maintenance and fuel savings may balance the cost. But resale value, battery lifespan, and infrastructure matter. So which one wins? If you want instant torque, lower maintenance, quiet drive, go for electric cars. If you prefer long driving range, easy refueling, proven reliability, stick with internal combustion engine. The future is electric, but the present still runs on fuel. The automotive world is changing fast. As technicians, drivers, and enthusiasts, we must evolve with it. Whether you choose electric or fuel, knowledge is your real power. If you want to truly understand modern vehicles, from electric vehicle systems to engine electronics, this is the channel for you. Subscribe to The Automotive for real automotive knowledge, simple explanations, and expert breakdowns you won't find anywhere else. We're not just talking about cars, we're mastering them. Hit that subscribe button, and let's grow together. And in the next video, we're breaking down what really happens when an electric vehicle battery fails. You don't want to miss that.